Olaf. I will be your partner for today's lesson. Our topic is about irregularly spelled words. Let's go! For English 3, Quarter 4, Week 7, our lesson is about irregularly spelled words. Our most essential learning competency: recognize and read some irregularly spelled words such as enough, through, beautiful. Irregular spelled words are words that contain letters that are not individually sounded or phonetically produced due to the combination of letter sound or other characteristics. Ibig sabihin, ang irregular spelled words ay hindi lahat nababasa ang tunog ng letra sa isang salita. Maybe because it has silent letters in a word, or a combination of letter sound. As we go along with our video, you will identify now the irregular spelled words. Stay tuned. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to recognize and read some irregularly spelled words. Examples. The first word is eyes. Let us say it again. Eyes. Eyes. The first sound of the word is eyes. But the spelling is letter E. That is why eyes is an irregularly spelled word. The next one is earth. Say it again. Earth. Our first sound is earth. But the spelling of our first letter is E. So this is also an irregularly spelled word. Here are more examples of irregularly spelled words. Cake. Wreath. Mother. Right. These words do not follow the phonics or spelling rules. They are phonetically irregular. They also require correct and fluent reading for readers to easily identify them. Irregularly spelled words: 8, straight, knuckle, wrap, right, kneel, Wednesday, again. Let us now proceed to task 1. Fill in the missing letters to complete the word being defined. Write your answers in your notebook. Number 1. A person who lives nearby normally in a house next door. What is the correct answer? Correct, neighbor. Number 2. A tying of rope, string, cord, or other material. The correct answer is good job, not. Number 3. A plastic, metal, or wood with a row of narrow teeth used for fixing the hair. What is the correct answer? Very good, comb. Number 4. A Filipino tradition which celebrates a young woman's 18th birthday. What is the correct answer? Good job, debut. Number 5. The measurement from head to foot or top to bottom. The correct answer is height. Now for task 2. Complete the analogy by supplying the irregularly spelled antonyms. Example: short, the antonym is tall. Number 1. Black, the antonym is white. Number 2. Day, the antonym is night. Number 3. Open, the antonym is close. Number 4. Far, the antonym is near. Number 5. Big, the antonym is small. Very good. And now let us proceed to task 3. Read the words on the next slide. If the word is irregularly spelled, put a check mark and X if it's not. Write your answers in your notebook. Number 1, 4. Very good, check. Number 2, bad. It's X. Number 3, enough. Check. Number 4, rat. X. Number 5, caught. Check. Number 6, loud. Check. Number 7, mouth. Check. Number 8, go. X. Number 9, net. X. And number 10, busy. Check. Very good. For task 4, fill out the blanks with the appropriate words. Choose the answers from the word bank. Write your answers in your notebook. Number 1. Would you blank past the dessert? The correct answer is please. Very good. Number 2. The blank spreads all over the town. The correct answer is disease. Good job. Number 3. You are the most blank girl I have ever seen. What is the correct answer? Beautiful. Very good. Number 4. She needs to lose blank for health reasons. What is the correct answer? Good job. Weight. And for number 5, wash the clothes, then blank them out thoroughly. What is the correct answer? Very good. Ring. So for task 5, match the pictures in column A with their appropriate names in column B. Write the letters of your answers in your notebook. Number 1. What is the correct answer? Very good, letter D, knee. Number 2. Good job, letter B, wrinkle. Number 3. Very good, letter E, sprout. Number 4. Very good, letter A, anchor. And number 5. Good job, letter C, night. For task 6, choose at least 5 irregularly spelled words from the story. Write your answers in your notebook. Remember, there are lots of irregularly spelled words in our story. I will just give 5 examples. Here's our story. Lito's curiosity heightened when news about COVID-19 broke out. He has many questions about the things happening around. One day, when his mother was busy cleaning the house, he asked, "Nanay, why do people wear masks when they go out?" Her mother carefully explained the reason so Lito would understand. While working on his module, he heard his older siblings arguing about online and offline learning. When he asked them about it, his siblings explained the difference between the two modes of learning. After attentively listening, Lito said with great awe, "Mine is offline." He also asked his father, "Tatay, why can't I go outside, play, or go to school and to the park like you and Nanay?" Lito's father answered so he would understand the present situations. So here's the example of 5 irregularly spelled words from the story. First is curiosity. Next is explained. Next is learning. Next is answered. And situations. And now you can find your own answer. For task 7, arrange the jumbled letters to form irregular words. Be guided by the meaning. Do this in your notebook. First number, a feeling of admiration for someone. The correct answer is love. Number 2, a small short winged brown songbird. The correct answer is wren. Good job. Number 3, to hear with attention. The correct answer is listen. Very good. Number 4, sound produced by forcing breath out or through a small hole between partly closed lips. The correct answer is whistle. Very good. And for number 5, a place where learners go to study. The correct answer is school. Good job. Please like this video, subscribe, and get notified.